Welcome back to Talk English. I'm Erica.
And I'm Marco. We're so glad you're joining us today to practice English.
So, Erica, today I have a feeling you've got something special planned for me. Special? That could be amazing or it could be terrifying. Maybe a combination of both.
Okay, now I'm worried. What is it?
Today, I'm giving you a challenge.
A challenge? What sort of challenge?
I'm going to put you into 5 different real-life scenarios at a doctor's office, one after another, and you have to respond naturally in English. No time to prepare, just like in the real world.
All right, 5 situations at the doctor, in English, with an audience.
With an audience watching. Are you up for it?
I believe so. Let's give it a shot.
And for everyone watching at home, this is your challenge too. Before Marco answers, take a moment to think about what you would say. These are situations that we all encounter in real life. Talking to a doctor in English is one of the most crucial and often most nerve-wracking situations for any learner.
That's right. When it concerns your health, you absolutely need to communicate accurately. It's not like ordering a coffee. The consequences are much more significant.
So let's make sure everyone feels prepared. Marco, situation number 1 is coming your way. Ready?
I'm ready, I think.
Erica, situation number 1. You need to see a doctor. You pick up the phone and call the clinic. The receptionist answers and says, "Good morning, City Medical Clinic. How can I help you today?" Marco, what do you say?
Okay, I say, "Hello, I want to see doctor, please. I am not feeling well."
It's understandable, but we can make it sound more natural. Everyone at home, did you think of something different? Here's the more natural way to say it. Instead of "I want to see doctor," you should say, "I'd like to schedule an appointment, please."
Schedule an appointment or make an appointment is the common phrase for booking a time to see the doctor.
Exactly. "I'd like to schedule an appointment, please," not "I want see doctor." Then the receptionist will likely ask, "Is this for a routine checkup or is it something urgent?"
Urgent means it needs attention right away.
And I say, "It is not urgent, just checkup, please."
Very close. Just say, "It's not urgent, just a routine checkup, please." Adding the word routine makes it sound much more natural.
"It's not urgent, just a routine checkup, please." The receptionist might then ask, "What day works best for you?" And you could say, "Is Tuesday morning available, please?"
Perfect. That's a completely natural response. Is day/time available, please? Simple and polite. Let's practice it together. Good morning. I'd like to schedule an appointment, please. It's not urgent, just a routine checkup.
Situation 1 is done. Marco, how did that feel?
Actually, it wasn't as difficult as I imagined. I'd like to schedule an appointment is so easy. I'm not sure why I never learned that phrase before.
Many learners aren't taught it. Textbooks often use "I want to see a doctor," which is grammatically correct, but not the most natural phrasing. Ready for situation 2?
I'm ready.
Situation number 2. You are now sitting in the exam room with the doctor. The doctor smiles and asks, "Good morning. So what seems to be the problem today?" Marco, what do you say?
Okay. I say, "Doctor, I have pain here, and I have fever since 2 days."
Everyone at home, what would you say? Now, Marco, you actually did a good job. "I have pain here" works. But let me show you the more natural way to describe specific symptoms. For throat pain, you would say, "I have a sore throat."
Sore means painful and uncomfortable. A sore throat is the standard phrase that every English speaker uses.
I have a sore throat, not "I have pain here." It's much more specific and natural. For fever, instead of "I have fever since 2 days," you should say, "I've had a fever for 2 days."
2 important changes. I've had instead of I have, because the fever started in the past and is continuing now, and use for 2 days, not since 2 days.
I've had a fever for 2 days. For, not since.
Got it.
Here are some of the most helpful symptom phrases for any learner. I have a sore throat. I've had a headache since yesterday. My stomach has been hurting since this morning. I feel very tired and weak. I've been coughing a lot for 3 days.
Notice the pattern. Use I have a for a single current symptom. Use I've had or I've been for symptoms that began in the past and are still happening.
So the time frame is important. If it just started, use I have. If it started earlier and is ongoing, use I've had or I've been.
Exactly. Paying attention to that one grammar point will make your symptom description sound completely natural.
Let's practice them aloud. I have a sore throat. I've had a fever for 2 days. I've been coughing a lot. Situation 2 is done. Marco, how was that?
Those symptom phrases are incredibly useful. I used to just point to where it hurt. Now I have the right words. Ready for situation 3?
Ready.
Situation number 3. The doctor is asking you some follow-up questions. First, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain? 1 being no pain and 10 being the worst pain imaginable. Marco, what do you say?
I say maybe 6 or 7. It is not so bad, but not good.
That's actually a very natural answer. Maybe 6 or 7 is perfectly fine. And you could add, it's uncomfortable but manageable.
Manageable means you can cope with it, but it's not easy.
It's uncomfortable but manageable. That sounds very natural and gives the doctor a clear understanding.
Next question from the doctor. Are you currently taking any medication, Marco?
I say yes. I take some tablets for blood pressure every day.
Very good. Just one small change to make it even more natural. Instead of I take some tablets, you could say I'm currently taking tablets for blood pressure.
The word currently means right now, and it directly matches the doctor's question.
I'm currently taking tablets for blood pressure. Using the same word the doctor used, currently, creates a very natural flow. And if you aren't taking any medication, you would say, no, I'm not taking anything at the moment.
At the moment means right now, and it sounds much more natural than just no, nothing.
I'm not taking anything at the moment. Simple and natural.
Last question from the doctor. Do you have any allergies, particularly to any medications?
I say, yes, I am allergic to penicillin.
Perfect. That is completely correct and natural. I am allergic to is exactly the right phrase. Well done.
I'm surprised I got that one right.
You got that one perfectly right, because allergic is a word that's similar in many languages, and the structure I am allergic to is simple and clear.
Let's practice all 3 answers. It's uncomfortable but manageable. I'm currently taking tablets for blood pressure. I am allergic to penicillin. Situation 3 is done. Ready for the next one, Marco?
I'm feeling more confident now. Ready?
Situation number 4. This is one of the most important and often most challenging situations. The doctor has finished examining you. Now the doctor gives you your instructions. Okay, I'm going to prescribe you some antibiotics. Take 1 tablet 3 times a day with food. Finish the full course, even if you feel better, and drink plenty of fluids. Come back in a week if you don't see any improvement. Marco, did you understand all of that?
Mostly, but prescribe, I'm not sure what that means. And full course? What is that?
And this is exactly what happens in real life. You understand most of it, but some words might be new. And this is where many learners make a big mistake.
What mistake?
They smile and nod, pretending they understood everything because they feel embarrassed to ask.
I've definitely done that before.
Everyone has. But when it comes to your health, this can be risky. If you don't understand the doctor's instructions, you must ask. And asking isn't embarrassing, it's smart. The doctor wants you to understand.
So what should I say if I don't understand?
Here are 3 phrases that will help you every single time. I'm sorry, could you repeat that more slowly, please? Could you explain what word means, please? For example,
Could you explain what prescribe means, please? And this is the most powerful one. Just to make sure I understood, you want me to take 1 tablet 3 times a day with food. Is that correct?
Oh, repeating it back to the doctor so they can confirm or correct me.
Exactly. Using this phrase shows the doctor that you are being responsible and taking your health seriously. It guarantees you leave with the correct information.
Just to make sure I understood. I love that phrase. It's useful in so many situations, not just at the doctor's.
It works everywhere. Meetings, phone calls, any important conversation where you need to confirm something. Learn it once, use it for life.
Let's say it out loud. Just to make sure I understood. Take 1 tablet 3 times a day with food. Is that correct? And could you repeat that more slowly, please?
Situation 4 is done. And Marco, now that we've talked about it, what does prescribe mean?
It means the doctor officially authorizes and writes down which medicine you need to take.
And full course?
That means finishing all the medicine even if you feel better before it's gone, because the infection might still be there.
Perfect. You're a natural. Last situation. Ready?
Last one, let's finish strong.
Situation number 5. This is a very practical situation that many people need but don't know how to ask for. The doctor's visit is over. You need a sick note, a document that confirms your visit for your employer or your school.
Oh, I've needed this before, and I never knew how to ask for it in English.
Most learners don't. So the doctor says, "Is there anything else I can help you with today?" And you need to ask for a sick note. Marco, what do you say?
I say, yes, I need paper from my boss saying I am sick.
I understand you completely, but paper for my boss saying I am sick, let me show you the natural, professional way to ask. Actually, would it be possible to get a sick note, please? I need it for my employer.
Actually, would it be possible to get a sick note, please? That sounds so professional, and I love would it be possible. It's so polite.
Would it be possible is one of the most useful, polite phrases in English. You can use it for any request when you're not sure if the person can help you. Would it be possible to get an earlier appointment, please? Would it be possible to get a receipt, please? Same phrase for any polite request.
Exactly. The doctor will likely say, of course, and write it for you. Or say, I'll ask the receptionist to prepare that for you. Either way, you've asked politely and clearly.
Let's practice. Actually, would it be possible to get a sick note, please? I need it for my employer. Situation 5 is done. Marco, you completed the challenge.
Oh, what a relief. All 5 situations. I can't believe we made it through all of them.
And honestly, you did a great job. Okay, let's see how Marco did in the challenge. And everyone at home, check your own answers too. Situation 1, making an appointment. Marco's natural phrase, I'd like to make an appointment, please. It's not urgent, just a routine checkup. Correct. 1 point for Marco. Situation 2, describing symptoms. Natural phrases, I have a sore throat. I've had a fever for 2 days. I've been coughing a lot. Correct. 2 points. Situation 3, answering questions. The key phrase for understanding, just to make sure I understood, could you repeat that please? 3 points. Situation 4, medication question. Natural answer, I'm currently taking tablets for blood pressure. 4 points. Situation 5, asking for a sick note. Actually, would it be possible to get a sick note, please? I need it for my employer. 5 out of 5. Marco, a perfect score. 5 out of 5.
And everyone at home, how many did you get? Write your score in the comments, 1 to 5. No judgment, this is how we learn.
One final practice. Remember the most important phrase from today. Just to make sure I understood. Learn that one phrase, and you'll never leave a doctor's appointment feeling confused again.
Before we finish, I want to share an important thought.
Go ahead.
Going to the doctor is stressful, even in your native language. You're worried about your health, you're in an unfamiliar environment, and now you have to explain how you feel in a different language. It's a lot, and many people avoid going to the doctor in a foreign country just because of the language barrier, which can be really dangerous.
It is dangerous. So please, use these phrases, save them, practice them. Your health is the most important thing, and you deserve to be able to communicate clearly about it in any language, in any country. You have the phrases now. You are prepared. Don't let language be the reason you don't take care of yourself.
Don't let language be the reason.
Okay, your challenge for today, and this one is really important. In the comments, write your score from the challenge. How many situations did you get right? 1 out of 5, 3 out of 5, 5 out of 5. Write it down. And even more importantly, write one symptom phrase from today that you want to remember. Just one. Write it in the comments right now to help it stick in your memory. For example, I have a sore throat, or I've had a headache since yesterday, or would it be possible to get a sick note, please? Any one phrase you want to remember.
Writing it down once helps your brain remember it much better than just listening. So please, take 30 seconds and write it in the comments.
And our question for you today, have you ever been to a doctor's appointment in English? How did it go? Was it scary? Were you able to explain your symptoms clearly? Tell us your story. We genuinely want to hear it.
If today's challenge helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people around the world find English Talk.
And if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right now. New English lessons every single week, all made for real life, all made for you.
Thank you so much for being here today. Take care of yourself, practice these phrases, and remember, your health matters. Your English is good enough. Speak up.
English Talk is your place to grow. See you in the next one. Bye, everyone.
Bye.